Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup lease addendums with eSign Genie step by step clearly. Start by logging into your eSign Genie account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Templates section on the left sidebar and click on it. In the Templates area, select Create a new template. Choose the type of template you want to create, in this case, the lease addendum. Begin by entering the title of your lease addendum. Next, upload the document that contains your lease addendum. After uploading, you'll see a preview of your document. Review the document to ensure it is the correct version. Once confirmed, click Next to proceed to the template editor. In the editor, add any necessary fields for signatures and dates. Drag and drop the signature fields where required in the document. Also, add any initial fields or text boxes if needed. After setting up the fields, click Save Template. Now, return to the main dashboard. Select Send for Signature from the dashboard options. Choose the template you just created from the list. Enter the email addresses of the parties who need to sign the addendum. You can also add a message if you wish to provide additional context. Once all details are entered, click Send. The recipients will receive an email prompting them to sign the lease addendum. Once all parties have signed, you will receive a notification. Go back to your eSign Genie dashboard. Select Completed from the dashboard to find your signed lease addendum. Click on the signed document to view and download it. To ensure proper backup, save the document locally. You may also choose to store it in your preferred cloud storage for easy access. Congratulations! You have successfully backed up your lease addendums using eSign Genie. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.